Hey, it's Chance again, and I'm doing another short. And a quick review of Black Rifle Company Freedom Punch. It's a zero sugar energy drink. It's from the guys who made Black Rifle Coffee. Let's give it a taste. It smells pretty average for your fruit punch as far as the smell, so let's give it a taste. Oh my god, that's good. That is really good. It's a lot like a Monster Pacific Punch, but zero sugar, so I've really gotta love that. You can find it at Walmart. I haven't found it anywhere else, but hey, it's pretty good. It has your very standard fruit punch flavor. It's clear. It's very well carbonated. The can is very handsome, but very plain. Got your eagle. Very American. But, what do I rate this though? Gonna give it a 6. Now, keep in mind, I know I tend to give things like fruit punches a very high score, but this is really just a little over average. I mean, what are you gonna do about it, right?